Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you a new code that you need to redeem in Grow a Garden Zen update. Okay, let's get started. As we know that Grow a Garden has just dropped a new update called Zen update, and in this update guys, we'll be able to redeem a new code. I'm going to go to the setting icon, and then we're going to scroll down and then click on redeem code. Then you can type the code here. The code is Tori Gate. Okay, so this is for the code. Sorry, it's so small. And then you can click on claim to claim the reward. Okay, and we will get a whispering Tori. And to get the item or the cosmetic, you need to go to your garden, and then you can go to the cosmetic menu right here. Okay, and then you're going to scroll down. Oops, sorry, not here, but here. Okay, and these are my cosmetic, and you need to scroll down, and this is for the Torii gate. Make sure you're in your farm or your garden, because we won't be able to place this gate out of our farm. Okay guys, and finally I could place my Torii gate here, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.